Start. Ano lagi mo start? Ano lagi? Okay. Hello. Ay, yes, yes. Okay. Para, love, nag-live ko. Love, love, live siya ako. Hindi nag-live. Nag-live ko, gani. Nag-live ko. Love, nag-live. Sinabi ko man pa ako nag-start. Gani, ano pa gana, yun na eh. Konta. Mag-live sab ako. Ayo, nasuko man ka. You're fun man. Imbis na ingon daga tagkuan dani, masuko na naman siya. Sige na. Masuko na naman siya. La. So, hello. Is this audible? Okay ba to? Okay ba to? Wait. I think this is quite okay. Error YouTube is not receiving enough. Okay, we have this one. I think I'm gonna configure the restream. I'm gonna get the ducks out of there. Like I don't know why the this one or the let's go with the filter. Should we use chroma key or something? It's not actually working. I'm trying to show the chat box on the right side. Anyway, so we have currently we have here. So right now we have the jump, double jump. We have the dash, 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 dash. Then we have the simple attack. Then we have the attack. Oh wait, there's some bug. So the function take damage to characters. Go back to the dummy. So the dummy, because we have this one that I'm expecting to something, so just delete this one first. Okay, we run the okay. Okay, actually we actually have already two characters. We have Plastic Man and right here. So if we're going to play this one, so they have a different characteristic by the way. Naga is a bit faster, but when it comes to jumping, Plastic Man will jump higher. Okay, so you can see like that. But Naga can have hover effect since you know it can fly. So we have here. What I'm trying to fix right now is the main sprite. I know it's kind of good, but there's problem with the collision box here, like that. It's, when I'm using plastic man, I'm trying to go up. It's actually overlapping the main file map. Alt reset. The, so yeah, we have that one. I'm gonna. I really like this kind of tile set. Let's go back. What else should we do? Summer gun is really good. Probably we need this one, the water. I want those things to work on. Go work on that. So we have this one. Currently, this is gonna be the first map we have. Very simple. The tile is pretty simple. Nothing actually. So what else we need? We have a cabin, or like a something like a bridge. But I really wanted to showcase some water because I'm gonna add. This one is also one of the like similar games to Summer Again and Smash Bros and Revasovator. What should we do here? Just wanted like something. I really wanted something that I'm gonna work out. I like the architectures. Probably gonna create one. So we have this one, that one. Okay, so I'm gonna fix something here because I need the. Let's use since we have the purple-ish something. That's actually one. We have the three of this and another three like that. So in overlapping, we can actually use this for the top top one because we need to put the edge here. If I'm not mistaken, we can actually put the edge like something like this one. So what we're gonna do now is the view. I'm gonna add symmetry symmetry option. Then I'm gonna put it right here and add. Wait, I'm gonna like that. So whenever we make some like an update here like that, we actually updating some of the things here. So that's a darker one. So what else? Let's add this one. So let's not this one. This one. Let's set it to light. What else? Okay. So we need to add like a rocket texture. So probably like that one, that one, and a little one here, like that. Some long one here. Wait, so we need to actually cover this. Just covered some of the things. Just like that. Just let's add actually like this one. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, good. Okay, things pretty good. And what else? So I really don't want actually to cross this line because yeah, actually we probably can. So first is let's add actually a center rock. Then let's add not that one. Let's add something like uh, like this probably. Okay. Then we can actually add highlights later on after this one. Let's just actually do this for now. Two likes this one. Like a real gum dab. Okay, thank you for liking everyone. So yes. Okay, what else should we add? So we have that one. So this is gonna different kinda like this, something like point pointy one. We can actually add like we can add the pointy. Let's just make sure that everything works right. And let's add something like uh, okay. I mean, let's just gonna add this one. Then let's add this one. Nice. Okay. I think we we actually nailed this one. It's gonna be better. So let's add more like uniqueness, like add just a little bit more dot, one small dot, and little bit of Django one. Okay, that's good enough. Then what we're gonna do is since this is the darkest one, let's add a more darker color. Let's add that one. So we have the darker color here. Since we have the darker color, we can now actually oh no, we can actually use dark darken some of the areas here, like that one, right? So you can actually darken some of the colors here, dark darken the color here, like that. It's here for us to actually identify. Okay. And then a darker one. Then a more dark areas. So this just like specify some of the things. Um, and this one like that. Probably add in this one. Then in this one, we can actually add more lighter color. Like it's supposed to be like a highlight like that. Okay. Don't we need to actually not actually add more stuff. Just to make sure that this is just a lighting some simple lighting on our spreadsheet like that. So when you up close, it's not good. But as you can see, when we're going to like zoom out the pictures, we can see the picture right now that is kind of looking good as of now. Hey, hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you. I'm actually doing game dev. So yes, we have this one. Let's actually add more like um. So let's add this to be this one like that. Just specify some of the things here. That okay. 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 Then we can add actually like in a good community last night. I actually asked why. Actually asked for a suggestion on my pixel art. It said that my character is way too small for the tile set. But I made actually that like since I have similar like I want it to be a similar art style to the Samurai Gun. Yun. Okay. Now we can move on to the next one, which is the use of a darker like darker shade of this violet or purple. This one. So we can actually use this one to specify some of the things like it's supposed to be um like this. like that. Like that, okay. And some little bit here, okay. Now why we need to do this since some of the things like here, we need to actually like use all this one like that. Just specify that there's gonna be like a bottom, okay, and this one, and you can actually darker this darker too. Like just specify some of the things. Like we can actually do like that. Nice. And we can actually add specify. Wait, we can add actually use this color to be better, more like contrast. Since we have this one, we can actually now move to add more of this, like this one. Specify just a little bit more specify, like that. Now we can actually see that it's actually highlighting. I don't want this to be like more exaggerated highlighting, like this one. Just simple highlighting here and there. Okay. Okay, now we can actually go back in here, highlight some of the things. Wait, we can actually, and let's add the monotone after this one. Put some textures. Based, based on what I'm seeing, we have another highlight. Let's add this one to add more depth, like that. And this. Then since we have this one, we need a lighter one. And let's add some of the things to make it more pop up, which is easier for us to identify. Oh, it's another rock. It's below the rock. And we can actually do this, then this one, that, add simple highlighting. Okay, Naman. Yes. I'm gonna turn off the auto tab discard suspend. I'm gonna keep tab. And this one always. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we have actually kinda good. Okay. Then this is good for the another map. But we need actually to add, wait, let's add this one. Let's actually delete like that. Then what we have here is a architecture for the same thing we're gonna do. Let's wait. Turn this one off. Let's copy this one. Put it here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just gonna delete some of the things here. I'm gonna delete this one like that. I'm gonna make sure that specify some of the edges and delete this one like that. It's much more easier than wait. It's much more easier for me to do this. This. Okay. Now we can actually specify this one, then delete this one. Then on this one, we can actually specify that it's a bump, right? It's much better to have a bump like that. Then after that, we can actually copy this one, Control C and Control V. You can actually the sprite. I'm gonna do is edit. We're gonna flip horizontal and let's put this one. Wait, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna delete this one. Now let's replace this with that. Okay. We just actually like edit some of the things. We didn't actually do more of that and that. And let's specify. And I should probably delete. Should probably use this, and the remaining one will be deleted. Okay, then let's delete this one like that. Okay, totally good. It's kinda looking good right now. So we can actually make a floating like this on our tiles based on our reference. So we actually have a reference. Just like this one, we have actually a reference here. Then what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do now is we have some edges, and on the edges we need to add or delete because we need to use bumps like this. Because for the specification of the stone, like that, like that. Just simple bumps. Okay, that's actually all we need. Probably we need another one. Based on what we have, because we have actually this one, as you can see we have here, and yeah, probably that's actually quite good. So I think I forget to use the tile mod, so I'm just gonna copy this one. So Ctrl V, then just gonna use the edit and flip horizontal, and just gonna delete this one, then replace it with this one. Yeah, okay, then I'm gonna use this one. Okay, now since we have the bump, what we're gonna do now is let's just specify some of the things using this color. So we have the bump. Okay, we have the bump. So the bump are actually in the dark areas. I mean, the bump on the one is darker. Okay, so we have a big one like that. Okay. Maybe later this I'm gonna fix this one like that, like that. Let's use some other things. Let's delete this one. Okay, that's fine. So since we have this one, let's add this darker color. So some of the areas are actually occupied with the dark like this. It's preoccupied. So let's just copy some. Okay, okay, we have that one. Copy this one. Just fix some of the things here. Like this one, it's not good. This one also just need to be fixed. That so let's just leave some of the fix this one. I don't like the use type of color of that. So yeah, so we actually have a better mapping right now, and probably if we can actually do something like this, it's gonna be wild. Like probably gonna wild. Actually have the map itself. It's gonna be like a rocky one. Then I'm gonna dithering. I'm gonna use dithering textures later on. I'm just gonna occupy some of the space. Okay, that's quite good. Okay, and like this. That is gonna occupy as long as we can actually use some of those things. That okay, okay. So we don't want to cross this line as let's just use this one. Or probably just gonna use the dark area like that. Then now we can add the highlights. So the highlights we can actually do something. Yes, this quite good. Actually, let's put some of these things. The transaction is started always on the top, like that way. Okay, we finished the first part. I think some of this need to be like, okay, this one. Right. What else? I think I'm gonna add some of this one, that, and this one, like that. Okay, it's gonna, let's say that it's taking over. So let's move this one close to this, like that. And yeah, we have some of the tiles. You can actually just copy of this one. I mean, let's turn this off. Control C, Control V. Then we can just edit this one and flip vertical, like that. Then let's add some delete. Let's add a new tile, which is gonna be map 2. So it's gonna be 480 by 320. So it's gonna be named as map map 2. So let's copy this tile sets here. Let's copy this one. Let's put it here. Put up at the top. Choose a line. Now we can add the first map. So let's copy this one. And put it here. Wait. Okay. Still working my, hello. Right, still working. Okay, what else should we do here? So, um, hello? Okay, that's, no, that's gonna, just, I just, let's just delete this one. I'm gonna add a new one. So let's add import, I mean, export. Let's export this new style set. Wait, let's export this one. No, for that, let's make sure to be like this. A new layer, this one, Control X na, and Control V, Control X. Let's go here, Control V. Let's export style set. Let's name this map to tile set. Okay, we have this map 2. Let's go back to our Godot. So see, we have already have the maps. We have the maps on this one. Oh, we still need this one. We still need this one though. Because we still need to make add the backgrounds. Okay. Um Okay, like this. Hoping the hoping for the next time we have. I'm gonna add this one here. So we have the first. Wait. Okay. Control C, Control V. That and you can actually add this, that, we can actually delete this one. And actually replace it with this one. Okay. And since we have this one, what I'm gonna do, what we're gonna do now is let's add a current background. So we have the background here, which is black. So that's gonna be the what I'm gonna do here is gonna be the black. And let's actually move this one below. Let's go back to our this one. Let's use this color. Okay. Let's add another layer. In a layer, it's gonna be like uh, dark lighter. So in dark lighter, so we have actually lighter which is gonna be blue. It's gonna be bluish violet. Let's move down. Move. Try this one. And I think it's gonna be like this. Light like this. Like this. Okay. This one. Okay. So we have like some of the things here like this one. And some of the things like it's gonna be like a cave system like that, like that. We can actually so we have this one and we can just actually finish some of the things like some decorations. That add some like variation I know. Let's actually add this one like this. Like that. Just like adding some textures and variations. Ah, spices as right. That's as right. Okay, let's add some variation. I really wanted a variation here. Okay, some like this. So now that got everything too soft, so I don't like this at all. Let's, let's just add some variation. That that okay. It's good. Adding some variation with this one is actually making the game more alive, like adding some backgrounds. Okay, let's just add more stuff. Okay, yes. Okay, now what we're gonna do is some of these things actually like this one actually uses this kind of like that. I mean like that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna add next. So let's add this one. Let's save this. So it's as possible we can actually add on this one. But let's add a new one called lighter. So just make sure that everything is actually on separate. Just add some variation here and add some variation like that. What? Huh?